What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. So I've got a pair which is slightly different to what you normally see on the channel. I have reviewed probably 2 pairs before, I can't even remember, definitely one, but yeah, let's get straight into it. So we've got a pair of ONRUNNING. The box is brown with some white designs with their logo, so ON around it. On the label it's got the name of the sneaker, and that's the Cloudswift. The color is a magnet / citron, and it's got the colors, so like the grayish and then the kind of lime green. US 11, Euro 44.5, UK 10.5, and a big 11 M for male, and then probably the style code there. Let's have a look at what we actually got. We've got some ONRUNNING tissue paper with ON, and then we've got the shoe or sneaker. So it's a pair of Cloudswift Cloud Tech shoes. They are Cloudswift, and they got the Cloud technology. We'll just walk through it first. So the bottom is like this lime green color, and white. So it says Speedboard on, and then it's got like a cloud there, so for cloud running, etc. It's quite different to the normal Air Maxes. This is like a cloud technology, so when you step, it does bend, firm, press down, whatever you want to call it. Then it says HELION, Helion, or something like that on the back. It's all white midsole basically, or sole, whatever you want to call it. And the upper, it's got a tab here, but then below the tab it's all mesh, so the whole upper is one piece of mesh, and then it's got these separate kind of laced stay type of tabs, so these are completely separate, just like stuck on, or whatever you want to say. And the mesh, it's got the on Cloudswift, so it's got the little logo and what the shoe is. That's like a sticker, so it's like seamless type of thing. Same here, it's like a sticker, seamless, and then the side tab is the same on this side, so they're exactly the same. We do have like plastic on the heel bit, and then it's got the O for ONRUNNING, O for O. Then we've got a plastic tab on the back here as well. The inside, what I do like is like it's got a Cloudswift insole. It is pretty different, and I'll just take it out and show you. So that's the Cloudswift insole. It's kind of like a 2-piece insole, so this bit is like, it does come off if you pull it off, and that will break it, so don't pull it off. But it's like a 2-piece, so that bit's like a foam, and then the back bit's like a kind of, I don't know, plasticky. It's not really plastic, it is soft. It's like a foam, but a different type of material foam. This is more of like a traditional insole foam, and that bit as well. So it says textile and man-made upper, textile lining, man-made outsole. So that's what it says there, and it's got the ONRUNNING logo there. I really do like this sneaker, trainer, whatever you want to call it, because of the comfort. They are super duper comfy. Will I run in them even though they're a running shoe? Probably not. I'm not really a running person. But the comfort nevertheless is amazing. I really do like the comfort. Big fan of the comfort. Big fan of the comfort. But yeah, I not really got too much more to say about the shoe. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you check out all the other videos, and make sure you check out the on foot. That's going to come in a few seconds. It will also be posted separately. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.
Thank you.